I'm Brooke, I'm VP of Technical Operations at Instaclustr. So we support all of our managed service clusters. We also are the first line of support for our enterprise support customers. We are unique in our place in the market. We manage clusters from all different use cases of Cassandra, from very small companies right up to some of the biggest names in IT. I think if you're just starting out with Apache Cassandra, if your DevOps team doesn't have any experience with installing and running Cassandra, then probably the managed service is really a good starting point. We run the clusters for our customers that they don't need to worry about things like whether or not their repairs are working, whether or not backups are working, whether or not compactions are causing a problem in the cluster. That's all managed for the customer as a managed service. Certainly there are plenty of cases out there where customers aren't able to host with us on our managed service. So the enterprise support allows customers to access our expertise, our Cassandra expertise on an on-demand basis. And that service is quite comprehensive. They can ask us anything from basic questions about how Cassandra works, how to recommended best backup strategies, right through to production incident support. So actually working with their DevOps team during a production incident. So we start with a comprehensive onboarding health check. So we ask for all of the configuration, log files, ask for information about how the application interfaces with the cluster, and we keep all that on file. And it allows us to determine or identify any outstanding issues or big issues that might make supporting the cluster very difficult. Second reason is so that we can become extremely familiar with their cluster. Obviously, if we're going to support it and if we need to support it in an emergency manner, it's not really the time when you want to be deep diving and trying to understand how this thing works and what their configuration is. We work on a 24/7 roster. There is always someone awake attending to PagerDuty and our support email address. We deliberately try not to use the word support too much because we think that implies help desk. These guys are not help desk. They are very, very smart engineers. They are Cassandra experts.